been living with the shadow overhead. I've been sleeping with a cloud above my bed. I've been lonely for so long, trapped in the past, I just can't seem to move on.
I've been hiding all my hopes and dreams away, just in case I ever need them again someday. I've been setting aside time to clear a little space in the corners of my mind. All I wanna do is find a way back into love. I can't make it through without a way back into love. Oh,
I've been watching but the stars refuse to shine. I've been searching but I just don't see the signs. I know that it's out there. There's gotta be something for my soul somewhere.
I've been looking for someone to shed some light, not somebody just to get me through the night. I could use some direction, and I'm open to your suggestions. All I wanna do is find a way back into love. I can't make it through without a way back into love. And if I open my heart again, I guess I'm hoping you'll be there for me in the end. I'll forever to say.
This is your serious OOO face.
I know that I can work with amateurs. That is my rock and roll face. Millions of women find that very sexy. Are you calmish? Are you? Okay.
There are moments when I don't know if it's real, or if anybody feels the way I feel. I need inspiration, not just another negotiation.
All I wanna do is find a way back into love. I can't make it through without a way back into love. And if I open my heart again, I guess I'm hoping you'll be there for me in the end.
Di ko maintindihan ang nilalaman ng puso tuwing magkahawak ang ating kamay. Pinapanalangin lagi tayong magkasama. Hinihiling bawat oras kapiling ka sa lahat ng aking ginagawa. Ikaw lamang ang nasa isip ko, sinta. Sana'y di na tayo magkahiwalay kahit kailan pa man. Ikaw lamang ang aking minamahal. Ikaw lamang ang tangi kong inaasahan. Makapiling ka habang buhay, ikaw lamang, sinta. Wala na akong hihingin pa, wala ko nang maulit pa ang nakalimutan